So I'm going to explain you what this Dazzne D50 set of 3 lights is. So what you're going to get in a pack is 3 light panels. One is over there, one is over there, and one is here. Those 2 light panels are powered by cables. This one is powered by batteries. I want to show you the height of the tripods, which are really strong. So it goes really high, as you can see. These panels are very light. So basically the tripod is really stable, you don't have to worry about this. What is interesting about these lights is that they work on groups and on channels. So basically they work wirelessly. So this is you can set the intensity and the color from each individual light. As you can see, my settings on the camera are manual. So I'm just gonna pop the intensity of the light. As you can see, I'm just using this panel over here to pump the intensity, and now it's gonna go back. It's really fast to do it. I'm gonna show you a bit the back of the panel. If you to change the temperature, you have to press the button in the middle. So basically now, as you can see, it's a different color. It goes from 3000 Kelvin to 5800 Kelvin. So if I'm gonna change like this, it's gonna go warm light and cold light. If I'm gonna change, for example, the group, I will go for this light to be on in a different group. As you can see, the lights are this one is adjusted, but the other ones have the same intensity. And also for this one, I can change the temperature, and the other ones will have the same color temperature. More or less, that's it. I'm really satisfied with them. I will make another test. I will dim all these lights to 0%. I will go on group A and I will dim them to 1%. As you can see, there's almost black, and now I'm gonna pump the intensity up to 100, which is really strong. You can basically use one of the light panels to have it here on one side, and you can also adjust the angle of the panel, so you can have a nice fill light on this side, and you can go more up based on your preference and based on your needs. So here's the back of the panel of the D50. There are 2 ways to power this. If you use the DC cable, which we have it over here, we're gonna plug. If we turn this on this side, we're gonna have the unit is gonna be powered by the cable. As you can see, there is a sign over there. Or if you just remove the cable and use batteries, these batteries MPF. So one is going to be this side, and one is going to be on the other side. And of course, the unit is going to be powered. As you can see here, there's a sign that indicates that the unit is powered by batteries. I suggest to buy strong batteries because the units are kind of strong. So let's talk about a bit about the functionalities of this. Here's the main dial. As you can see, it's really easy to get from 1% to 100%, but there's another way to do this very fast. There is a button over here, so if you press this one, it will go from 25% to 25%. So now it's going 50, 75% and 100%, which is an easy access to this. How do we change the temperature of this one? The temperature is indicated here, Kelvin. We have to press this button in the middle. As you can see, the number started to flash. So basically, if it goes from 3000 Kelvin, it goes up to 5500. And we go back. There's a super interesting feature about this one. You can work on groups. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F. And every group has a channel, so you can set the groups that you want to work in. So A, B, C, D, E, A, F. And also you can adjust, by this button you can adjust the channel. So you have availability of 48 channels, which is absolutely great, because you can basically work with these three lights wirelessly. And there's a super interesting feature that these units have. You can get a remote for them, so you can basically work with them wirelessly without going and touching the unit. So basically, for the back of the unit, that's it. If we go, I will just show you a bit on the side. This is a very thin unit, and on the front is not like mine. There is not the regular LED light that you see, that you can basically count the LED lights. This is a really compact and very, very light unit.